Yo, what's up everybody, it's me, WolfArtPlayer1 here, and today, it's been, almost a week of my sem break, and I was wondering how was yours, and, today, I want to share with you the Photoshop creations that I have created with me, my best friend Samuel Kim, and Hannah Crystal, and also, these are the photos that I created during my sem break. They also helped me in creating some of my thumbnails. So, I hope you enjoy the video. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell down under the video below. Also, don't forget to comment me about anything you guys wanted me to try. So, enjoy the video.